Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Time, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ellie.
Hi, Ellie, and hi to all our amazing listeners. It's so good to be here again.
It really is. How are you doing today, Mike?
I'm doing great, thank you. I just had a nice cup of tea, so I'm feeling very relaxed.
Tea sounds perfect. I'm doing well too, but I'm a little tired today.
Tired? Oh no!
But it's okay. Today's topic is perfect for tired people.
That's right. We're talking about the evening and night, what we do after work or school, and how we get ready for bed.
I love this topic. The evening is my favorite part of the day.
Me too. But, before we start, we have a small request.
Yes. If you're enjoying this episode, please click the like button. It really helps us. And subscribe to English Talk Time so you never miss a new episode.
And, share this with a friend who's learning English. We'd love for them to join us.
Thank you so much. Okay, Mike, I'm ready to relax. Let's talk about the evening.
Let's do it. So, Ellie, imagine the day is finished. Work or school is done. What's the first thing you do when you get home?
The first thing I do is open the door and, take off my shoes.
Ah, yes. Shoes off. Me too. Feels so good.
Then I put my bag down and, change my clothes. That's very important.
Oh, yes, I do the same. I take off my work clothes, jeans, shirts, and put on something comfortable.
What do you wear at home, Mike?
Very comfortable clothes. An old soft t-shirt, sweatpants. Not fancy, but perfect for relaxing.
I know exactly what you mean. I have a big sweater I wear at home. It's like a warm hug.
A home sweater. I love that name. Okay, so now we're comfy. What's next?
Usually I'm hungry. Dinner time.
Do you cook every night?
I try, but sometimes I'm, too tired. On those days, I order food. Pizza, noodles, or something easy.
Sounds perfect. I love cooking. For me, cooking is relaxing. I put on some jazz music, chop vegetables, and make something simple, like chicken and rice, soup, or a salad.
I love making soup in the winter.
So we both eat dinner, me cooking, you ordering, but dinner is always important.
Absolutely. Okay, dinner's finished. It's maybe 7:30 p.m. What do you do to relax?
I usually sit down, put on my headphones, and just listen to music for 20 minutes. No phone, no TV, just calm.
Wow, that sounds amazing. My brain is always so busy. I usually sit on my soft green sofa and watch TV, funny shows or comedies.
Laughing is a great way to relax.
Sometimes I read instead. I have a comfy chair and a good book. I love mystery novels, detective stories, big questions. Who did it?
My brain is too tired for mysteries. I just want to laugh.
That's okay. What about going out in the evening? Do you ever go out?
Not usually. My nightlife is, quiet. Maybe Friday nights, I meet friends for dinner or go to the movies.
Friday night.
A homebody loves to be at home. It's their favorite place.
Oh, me too. I love my home, my sofa, my books. Perfect.
Okay, we relaxed. Now it's getting late. Maybe 10 or 10:30 p.m.? Time to get ready for bed.
Bedtime. First, I brush my teeth. Very important.
Me too. Then I wash my face with warm water. It's so refreshing.
And then pajamas. My favorite clothes. I change many times day. Clothes, home clothes, pajamas.
Mine are gray t-shirt and pants, calm and relaxing for sleep.
Okay, now ready for bed. Do you sleep right away?
Not always. I check my phone. But first, I do two important things. Set my alarm and check the weather for tomorrow.
Smart. I set my alarm to 2. 7 a.m. Alarm twins.
Then I put my phone away from the bed, no looking at it while trying to sleep.
Good idea. I do the same. Then I read a real book for 5 to 10 minutes. Paper, not phone. Makes me sleepy.
Perfect. Eyes heavy, lights off, and good night.
Wow, our time flew by. I feel so relaxed now.
Me too. We hope this was helpful and fun for all of you. You learned useful words like pajamas, relax, brush teeth, and homebody.
And we want to hear from you. What do you do to relax in the evening? TV, books, music? What time do you go to bed?
Leave a comment below. We love reading them. It's great practice for your English.
Don't forget to subscribe to English Talk Time. Like this episode and share it with friends.
Thank you all so much for listening.
Have a wonderful evening and a good night.